Okay, hello there. So, today I'm going to make a cool craft. It's going to be this, cool, pencil holder. We're going to get 6 sheets of origami paper or some paper that is in square shape. So I don't care which ones I get. I'm just going to get some pieces of paper. And do not worry, we're getting more origami paper. It's on the way. So I'm good with origami paper. So what they're gonna do is make sure you have 6 pieces. Ooh, I have 7 pieces. I do not need 7 pieces. So I'll just put one of those away. And I'm going to just... Okay, so you'll also need some paper. I'm going to get that right now. This is enough. So you're going to just take one of your pieces of paper. I'm going to use the mermaids right now. Oh, and you'll also need the hot glue gun for this. So make sure you have your hot glue gun. I'm not using that. I'm going to put the rest of these origami papers under the table right now. So what you're going to do is super easy. You're going to fold it in half. So the first step is to fold it in half, like this. Okay. And the next step is to fold it in half the other way. Like this. So now when you open it, you'll have like an X or a plus or something. So you're going to fold, now you're going to fold in at 2 corners. And they have to be touching each other, but it doesn't matter on which side. It doesn't matter which side you do it on. Okay, so whatever side you do it on will be fine. And try to make them touch, but if you have them a little bit off, that's fine. But like, don't make them like too off. All right, so that's like, now it looks like a little house, kind of. So now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this bottom upwards to where these two meet, these two triangles meet, and I'm just going to crease it there. So now it looks kind of like a little house also, still. So now what you're going to do, this is the fun part. Oh, it's not exactly, it's all fun, but you're going to fold in this, like this. You see that? See what I did? I just folded it in to the middle, that little middle crease. And you're going to do that for both sides. Okay. Now that both of them are creased, I'm going to unfold it, and I'm going to fold this whole piece of thing in half, like this. And now I'm going to unfold that, and I'm going to slit this into here, so it looks like a little triangle thing. Ugh. So now I'm going to take my hot glue and squeeze it on. So that has some glue on it, and I'm just going to like put it into this pocket. Hot glue. I want to just make sure everything's perfect in this little triangle thing. Alright, so that's one of them. So I'm going to make five more right now. Okay, I made all of my 6 triangle thingies, and so so the next step is to glue them all together into like an octagon thingy. So I'm going to do that right now. So like you glue the sides to each other. And this side, the side that's like has the folds on it, it should be facing the outside. So like this. This is it. Like glued together, kind of. Although not like fully together. So you like you just glue them all together. And glue right here. Ones. So my gluing isn't as perfect as I would have thought, but it's usually better than this. But whatever. Alright, so glue these onto here without causing like a big, like the first time I ever made one of these, I glued one on, and then I glued both sides of one, but then they got like glued to right here, and then that would look weird. So what you do is you'll glue them both in at the same time, and I'll show you what to do. So you just take your glue and you glue them together first. Wait, let me put this glue stick in. Alright, so you glue like them together. So like you glue one side and then you glue them together. Like this. And then you glue these sides, which you never, but I mean, wait, what? That are gonna be like, glued to the inside. Like this. And you'll just slide them in. Easy peasy. And that's basically it. So that's the basic thing. But then you'll probably be wondering, how do I get my pencils and pens in here without them falling out through them? Well, that's the easy part. So that's why I needed this paper. What you're going to do, you're going to take your glue and you're going to just glue the edges of it. And you're going to stick it down quick before the glue all dries up. And if the glue dries, you can just like lift it once it like is dry onto the paper to make sure that there's no dry things that were dry before sticking it. So there's just this one place I need to go. Put it in. Okay, so that is good. Like that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to cut it out. Cut out right there. Like this. So there's your base for this. I should have used pink paper as the base because this is basically a pink thing. But whatever. So now it's time to put on the pom-pom at the very, very, very top. And I'm going to leave these yellow things here to just maybe tie a bow or leave them there. So I'm going to glue a little blob right there of glue. And just hold it there for a little bit. Pom-pom. Okay, it's glued on. That's great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just tie a little bow real quick. Tie my little bow at the top. And so I'm going to put some pens in it real quick. So I filled it with markers, and this is what it looks like. I hope you liked this video, so remember to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video. I hope you liked this craft, and bye-bye.